Withdrawing money from Binance to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the Binance website or app. Ensure that you have completed any necessary identity verification. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet option in the main menu. Click on Fiat and Spot to view your available balances and the option to withdraw funds. Step 3. Select Withdraw. In the Fiat and Spot section, find the Withdraw button. Click on it to initiate the withdrawal process. You will need to choose the currency you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Choose your bank account as the withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and any additional required information such as your bank account details. Double-check all information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal summary, including any fees that may apply. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation email or SMS to verify the transaction. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive, which may take a few business days.